Hey guys, wanna know how to use arrows to your images in BeFunky? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to do it. It's super duper simple, so let's get right into it. Now first up, open up your BeFunky application and right on the left side, there should be various options. Select Graphic Designer. Now, once you're there, import any image that you like. For me, it's this image right here. Now select this Shapes Like option right here. These are the graphics. Now, to import your arrow, under Basic Shapes, there should be this arrow option. Simply click on it. And there you have it. Your arrow should be imported. Now, you can edit its properties. Maybe its weight, maybe make it thinner or thicker, and also color. You change the color accordingly, and that's it. You can also make it double-sided, and so much more. Maybe even drop shadows. So once you're done, just simply adjust it accordingly and click on save right here and save anywhere that you want. And that's it. Super simple. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more related videos. See you in the next one.